Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can see your Snapchat messages without actually being friend. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just start our video now. So you will simply go to your chat option over here and you can simply go to this add friend option and simply search our username. Once you get that particular username, simply tap on this three dot on your top right corner and then you will go to the send profile to simply type in a message, and then you will see in your recent search you can see that particular username. Simply tap on that username, tap on the send option over there, and here you can see in your message section, simply tap on that username. As you can see, that particular message we just typed in, it's sent over there. And this is how you can simply send a message or a person to without adding, and if they will be doing the same process to send you a message, so what you will do is you will go back, you will check in your inbox. If you have that particular message, you can simply tap on that message and check that message out. You can simply do your conversation over there as well. So yeah, you can simply see your messages without adding that particular friend on your Snapchat and send as well. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.